Tip 1. Understand what documents need shredding. Important documents like bank statements, medical records, and government-related communications frequently contain sensitive personal information and should be disposed of properly. If you are unsure whether a document should be shredded or not, it's better to err on the side of caution and shred it. Tip 2. Find a local shredding service. Some office supply stores, credit unions, and other businesses offer complimentary shredding services to their customers. Look for these services in your local area or ask family members and friends to help you find one. Tip 3. Check at your local senior community center. Often, senior community centers or retirement home communities have shredding machines on site for their residents to use. These facilities may even hold regular shredding days where you can bring your documents to be shredded. Tip 4. Look for shredding events. Occasionally, communities will host free shredding events. These events are a great place to take your stack of confidential documents. Be sure to check your local newspapers or community flyers for information about these events. Tip 5. Use a home shredder. If you frequently receive documents that need shredding and you prefer to do it at your convenience, consider purchasing a home shredding machine. You can find affordable and easy-to-use models made specifically for seniors. Tip 6. Ask family members for assistance. If you have a large amount of paperwork to shred and require help, do not hesitate to ask family members for assistance. They can help you go through your documents and utilize their own shredder if needed. Tip 7. Utilize your local government resources. Some communities have county or city services that offer free shredding to residents at certain times or on certain days. Check with your local government office to see if this service is available to you. Tip 8. Take advantage of the shredding services of local businesses. Some businesses, especially those dealing with sensitive information like insurance agencies or legal offices, often have shredding services and may be willing to allow you to use them. Tip 9. Ensure your documents are safe until shredding. If it takes some time to find a suitable shredding service or event, make sure your documents are kept in a safe and secure location to prevent any information theft. Tip 10. Make sure the shredding service is secure. When using a free paper shredding service, ensure that the shredding is done in a secure manner. The shredding should be done in your presence, or in a secure manner where it's not possible for anyone to gain access to your personal information. Tip 11. Regularly sort through your paperwork. To avoid having a large amount of documents to shred at once, regularly sort through your paperwork. This way, you can separate the documents that need shredding and deal with them immediately, making the process less overwhelming.